Hello everyone, MPX Auto in Sydney. It's James here. How are you today? In this video, we'd like to share the work that we already finished in the HINO trucks 300 series 616 version, and this one come with the factory radios screen before, which actually already been removed because it's completely faulty. No turning anymore on the factory unit before, and currently we already fit in the 9-inch premium setup, which is going for the best of the premium specification, that including wireless Apple Carplay running super fast and smooth, and also with the wireless Android Auto as well, and it connect to all the factory wiring setup, and it connect to factory reverse camera. So there's no modification, no cutting, no joining, no modification in terms of the wiring setup for our system here. So we do design the plug and play setup into the HINO truck, and this one is 2020 model, which is the similar one in the generation around 2019 and 2023. So yeah, this one already been fit nicely and everything is working beautifully. Now have a look here at the reverse camera. So the factory reverse camera working like this. When you turn the reverse camera, it turns on like that, the turbo and thing, beautiful. That is the factory camera, okay, straight into the system, and it works straight. And then when you move back, it will come back to the Apple CarPlay screen, which is this one, easy to go, and you can see how fast and how easy it is. Okay, it's really fast on our premium setup system, which is touch and respond, absolutely amazing. Not only that, it also has the very full features of the premium setup inside this one. So no doubt this one can serve at the very best into this truck, and because it's 9-inch, which is the most beautiful one, this one, the screen that the system can supply, and it won't bother the button for the air conditioner control down here, but it gives the better angle of view to the driver, and it has much better thing to compare with other option we have. So the 9-inch premium in the HINO truck 2020, and this one 300 series 616. So hopefully you enjoyed this one, and yep, we will see you on the next one. Have a good day.